Reise embarked on a journey to redefine the riding experience for Indian performance riders. Backed by European technology, we launched our range of tyres with a commitment to offer superior performance, innovative designs and safety. Our tyre factory, a joint venture between Mansaria Tyres and Mithas, spans 1 million square feet in Gujarat with an annual capacity of over 1 million tyres. A zero liquid discharge facility, it stands as one of the most sophisticated tyre factories in the nation. The entire infrastructure has been designed and built as per the green building norms and is a beacon of sustainability. From a performance tyres brand, Reise has expanded into a wide range of products for the riding community, including gears and accessories from renowned European brands like Ixon, Acerbis, Speedy and Tucano Urbano. From launching our e-commerce platform to opening an experiential store, we are creating a one-stop shop for riders in the country. Reise has also embraced the Indian motorsport community through Reise Motorsports. We've nurtured the sport by launching our own team in the Indian Supercross Racing League, the world's first franchise-based Supercross league. Last year, we celebrated success with 138 podium finishes across various races and events. This year, we proudly opened our first flagship store in Mumbai, creating a hub for Indian riders with plans for more experiential stores in other cities. At Reise, we consider it our privilege to build a responsible riding community in India. Through Rides and the Reise Trail Hour Academy, we teach riders how to conquer the dirt and promote safe riding. The tribe of riders in India has been growing each year, and Reise is delighted to play a small part in this journey. We are proud of our progress and are committed to pushing the Indian riding community forward, bringing the joy of riding to more people across the country. Join us as we continue our journey, embrace the road ahead and keep rolling.